Houston, 4894, longitude 8692. Over.
What?
Ken, I need help.
What?
Ken,
What?
Ken, wake up.
Whoa,
Ken,
wait.
Hey.
Where am I? Why am I on a plane?
32
How did
degrees
I
north.
get? Who drugged me?
32
Why does my
degrees
butt
north.
hurt? Stop
32
it. No, shut up. No.
What are you doing?
Why am I up here now?
Because
Get
we're fighting.
No, stop. Pull over. Pull over now.
We're at Mach 2.
Pull
God
over
damn it, we're
now.
at Mach 2.
I will shoot you in your. I'm jumping.
You can't jump at Mach 2. You can't jump at Mach 2. Where are you going?
Don't tell me what to do.
What are you doing? Where'd he go? Oh my god. He just jumped. My pilot just jumped. Oh my god. I'm gonna crash. Oh!